Welcome to SuiteMatrix IT Solutions. In today's video, we're diving deep into SuiteBilling in NetSuite. If you're looking to improve your billing processes, manage subscriptions more effectively, or simply understand how SuiteBilling can transform your financial management, you have come to the right place. So let's get started. SuiteBilling is an innovative feature of NetSuite that optimizes your billing processes for efficiency and effectiveness. Here are some of the key features. SuiteBilling automates subscription management, ensuring accurate billing based on usage or subscription tiers, helping businesses manage efficiently and improve customer satisfaction. SuiteBilling offers flexible pricing models, enabling businesses to implement usage-based, tiered, and custom options to meet diverse customer needs and enhance satisfaction. SuiteBilling enables automated revenue recognition, streamlining schedules, and ensuring compliance with accounting standards based on service or product delivery. SuiteBilling provides real-time analytics, delivering insights into billing activities, revenue forecasts, and customer payment behaviors to support informed business decisions and strategy optimization. SuiteBilling streamlines integrated invoicing by automating invoice generation and managing billing efficiently. Its seamless workflows reduce errors and accelerate the invoice-to-cash cycle, enhancing cash flow. SuiteBilling delivers an enhanced customer experience by streamlining billing and subscription processes, offering easy access to accounts, payment options, and billing history. SuiteBilling provides comprehensive reporting with various tools that offer detailed insights into sales performance, customer behavior, and billing patterns, helping to drive business growth and strategic planning. SuiteBilling in NetSuite is a powerful tool that simplifies and optimizes billing processes for businesses of all sizes. By leveraging features like subscription management, flexible pricing, automated revenue recognition, and real-time analytics, companies can ensure enhanced customer experiences and improved financial management. In this video, we will guide you to enable the preferences required for SuiteBilling. To begin, navigate to Setup, Company, Enable Features. Under the Enable Features page, go to the Transactions subtab. Under Transactions subtab, go to Billing. Select the checkbox. Bill costs to customer. Advanced billing. Charge-based billing. Billing accounts. Billing operations. Subscription billing. Advanced subscription billing. Time-based pricing. Add-on items. Commit plus overage. Invoice groups. And uplift pricing. Then click Save. The required features have been successfully enabled, and the system is now ready for further configuration and use. The next step is to configure the necessary accounting preferences to enable and support SuiteBilling functionality. To begin, navigate to Setup, Company, Enable Features. Under Company subtab, go to Projects, select the checkbox Projects, and click Save. After that, navigate to Setup, Accounting Preferences. Under the Accounting Preferences page, go to the Items Transactions subtab. Go to the Sales and Pricing, select the checkbox. Consolidate jobs on sales transactions and click Save. We have successfully enabled the SuiteBilling functionality, ensuring it is ready for use in our accounting and billing processes. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Let us know how SuiteBilling has transformed your billing workflows. Thanks for watching.